guys, welcome back to my second journey of all journeys today. Welcome back to Jakob.n.h Productions. I am at Salford Crescent. Sitting on platform number 2 is 14206. Platform number 1, I believe this is 15271 after Blackburn with a 153. 153,330 on the rear of the Blackburn with a departure of platform number 1. I'm guessing. Yeah. This is 1 and 2. No, platform 2, sorry, is the departure of the 4-car service to Manchester Victoria. Platform 1 departure was the 3-car unit to Blackburn. Now is 156,459. And a pacer on the rear with 142,058 off to, I'm guessing it's off to Manchester Victoria, I'm not too sure. So yeah, you'll obviously you'll see it on real-time trains or whatever. So yeah, off going out is a 4-car service to Alderley Edge. On that Deansgate, Manchester, Oxford Road, Manchester, Piccadilly, Leamington, Heaton Chapel, Stockport, Cheadle Quay, and for Wilmslow and Alderley Edge. One by a pacer and a 156. You'll see the numbers on the departure, which obviously 4058 on the rear. You'll see the front numbers on the video. So today you'll be seeing services by obviously Northern, First Choice Banana Express, and maybe a tiny bit of luck, some freight as well. You'll be only seeing one freight in this video, which will be the Knowsley freight, DB Cargo, or it might be an EWS, I'm not too sure, class 66, onto Knowsley. So yeah, we'll see you on the departure, or arrivals on Northern or whatever.
Salford Central, Manchester Victoria.
So yeah, what's the shall arrive on coming in now is a 4-car service to Leeds. It is 15129 at Great Western Railway. Now on to Northern and a 156. So 15129 and 156451 off to Leeds. Now ready to depart is 15129 and 156451. One of them is for Great Western Railway, which is 15129, and then ex-Great Western, and now owned by Northern, with its ex-Great Western Railway, and then 156451 is in the new Northern livery. Looks outstanding on the 156s and the 319s. So yeah, enjoy all. Just arrived in now, out of the blue, is a 152 unit. Let's have a look. No, it's not. It's a 151 unit, which is 15149. So now departing is 15149. Out of the blue, coming in now, and departing. So the party now is 15149. 1. Nice way from the driver, thank you very much. Alright, lad. Yay, thank you. 150, 149 with a great one tone. And another 150 on the rear. 150, 150. Oh yeah. And a Pacer. To Rochdale. 142 036. And then another 151 unit. 150 143 to Rochdale. A 4-car service is now departing with a service to Rochdale. So yeah, 046 and 143 on the rear. 142 046 and 150 143. If that's the correct numbers. I've got the 150 143. Yeah, both correct. Now, here it is. The Knowsley Freight. The moment I've been waiting for to catch at Salford Crescent. So yeah, here it is. So yeah, here it is. There's Knowsley Freight. So yeah, it is a farmed by an EWS class 66. Oh, 66. 078. Wait, oh, DB cargo. On the Knowsley dustbins. Oh my god, that stinks. And we've got a dual pair Pacer coming in now as well. There's that 66 pulled out with 142 056 on the front, sorry, and 142 009 with it now, with that Knowsley Freight off to Knowsley dustbins. Woo, pongy smell. So yeah, that is off to Knowsley. That's why it's called Knowsley Freight. Oh, that's passing through. Okay, I didn't know that. So it must be an empty car, a coaching stop. Or it might be an off service, but I'm not too sure. Well, that's what the units are. Our final train of the day today will be a class 156. I'm not too sure. So yeah, could be a class 156. Could be, I'm not too sure. And it's not. It is a 152 unit. So it's 15268, which is my train home. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much and goodbye.